about digraph. What? Digraph. What's the meaning of digraph? Digraph when two consonant letters walk together to give me one sound. Again, what's the meaning of digraph? When two consonant letters walk together to give me one sound. Let's see what we have here. Do you know what the sound? T, 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 t. Excellent. And what the sound here? Excellent, Kate. So, t sound is a vowel or a consonant? Yes, it's consonant. And sound is a consonant or a vowel? Yes, it's also a consonant. So I have here two consonants, t and h. When they walk together, they will give me one sound. Give me a new sound. Do you know what's the sound? It's sound. Again, out your tongue, please. All of you say and out your tongue. So, t beside h, give me one sound. What's the new sound? Okay, now let's see. The first picture we have, do you know what's this number? It's number 3. 3. Look at my mouth. 3. You have to out your tongue when you say sound. 3. Okay, do you hear sound when I say 3? Yes, excellent. Okay, let's see another picture. What's this? Let's read together. What is sound? B. Stretch your arm and make a segmentation. B. A. And what's the sound? Yes, our new sound. So, B. A. Bath. 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 Okay, so bath also has sound. What does girl do? Let's read together. What's the sound? Yes, sound. And what's the sound? E. N. K. E. N. K. Think. Think. Repeat after me, please. Think. I can see your tongue, out your tongue. Think. Think. Okay, let's see another picture. Do you know what's the name of this finger? Do you know? It's thumb. Thumb. A. B. Thumb. Thumb. Do you hear sound when I say thumb? Yes, excellent. Okay, so last one we have here. What's this? It's teeth. 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 Okay, teeth. Do you hear sound in teeth? Yes. Okay, so it's also a friend with sound. Now let's talk about the positions of sound in different words. Let's read together. Please, all of you, stretch your arms. What is sound? Sound. And what is sound? R. And what is sound? E sound. R. E. 3. 3. This is number 3. Can you see sound here in this word? Yes, but what's the position of sound here? Yes, it's at the beginning. At the beginning. I start the word by this sound, so it's at the beginning. Let's read this together. Please, all of you, stretch your arms. What is sound? B. A. And what is sound? Yes. Sound. B. A. Bass. Bass. B. A. Bass. Okay, can you see sound in bass? Yes, but what's the position of this sound here? Amazing. It's at the end. At the end. There is no sound to come after it, so it's at the end. Okay, we have an interesting sheet here. I want you to help me to solve this. I want you to look at the picture. Tell me what is this word and tell me if it has sound or no, okay? Now let's see, what's this? Bath, bath. Listen carefully. Bath, okay, bath has sound? Yes, okay, excellent. So I will make a tick under this picture. Let's see this picture. What's this, KG? It's sun. Sun. Look at me. Sun. Can you hear sound in sun? No, you can't find. So you will make cross under this picture. Let's see this picture. What is number? 3. Excellent. It's number 3. Look at my mouse. 3. 3. Okay, can you hear sound in 3? Yeah, so I will make a tick. What's this? Bus. Bus. Okay, can you hear sound in bus? No, so I will make cross under this picture. The last picture we have here is, what's the name of this finger? Yes, thumb. Thumb. Okay, can you hear sound when I say thumb? Yes, so I will make a tick under this picture. Okay, kids, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you later. Bye.